Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really nice watch band. This is for the watch that is the Series 10 or 11 46 millimeter or the Ultra as it's got the series on there, but this thing is really nice. I mean, this is titanium, this is aerospace grade titanium, very resistant to scratches, built extremely well, I can tell just from the use of it. So easily slides on like you normally would have, or slides off to a typical watch. You're just going to slide it in here, lock it right into place. I mean, it's that simple. The nice part about this one, I think, is the clasp. This clasp is fantastic. It's a magnetic clasp, locks into place like that, just locks right in. Not going to pop out, go anywhere. When you pinch these sides here, it can remove it. So when you pinch the sides, it actually has locking mechanisms on either side and a high density magnet that is there. So when you're putting this watch on, you can just simply flip it around, and I mean, latches right into place. That is a beautiful looking watch band, and it's extremely shiny, durable. Love the fact that these edges are kind of just angled in here. Adds a lot of really nice feature in the scratch resistance. Now this is adjustable. This is the full length size here, but they do send you with the kit that easily can adjust this by putting the links in here and popping the links out. They give you all the tools you need to do that to where you can fully adjust that at home. But I mean, it is an absolutely gorgeous watch band, very lightweight, yet very durable, very strong, scratch resistant, and waterproof. Would work well as a gift for someone, or keep it for yourself.